Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant. And here is the update about Iota. What's going on with Iota? You can see it here on the downside of my live channel, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, named Crypto Trading Informant, streaming on Twitch. Here is Iota, and you can see Iota is bumping. Here is the daily chart with a buy signal, and we have a lot of positive things. And now we will take a look about Iota, what's going on here. Before we start, guys, you need this t-shirt. This Satoshi Bitimoto, my brand new t-shirt. I designed it brand new, and if you are a trader, you need this t-shirt for positive extra power for your brain, for all you can need for positive trades here. This is the ultimate Satoshi Bitimoto Bitcoin t-shirt. You need this one. On the back side, this is very important. In BITI we trust, and here is my QR logo with BITI. Guys, you need that. I will put the description here of this shop I have here in. I put the link in the description, so it is. And please, guys, support me here with this shirt. You are a fashionista. So let's go. Here is the quick TA. Here is the Iota Tether Us. And today is not a quick TA. We will take a look about it detailed here on Iota. Iota here on Tradingview. The long time frame, the daily is telling us buy, strong buy. The 4 hours telling us buy, strong buy. The 1 hour is telling us buy that Iota, and 50 minutes is neutral, sell and buy. It's not so sure, but on the bigger time frames, 1 hour and so on, everything is telling us why do you not buy Iota momently. Okay, we will check it now. Here is Tradingview, and here is the detailed TA for Iota, the full featured chart. Let's start. So here it is. This is the 1 hour chart, and this was one of our last things we made here with Iota, but I would like to make a new stuff here. I would like to make a brand new TA with you here together. So remove all drawings, turn off everything we have here. We need no ribbon band momently, we need no MACD. So this is a clear view. Let's start with the daily chart to see the big picture, what's going on. And this is the big pump here to the upside. You can see it. Every day is now one day. Every candle is now 1 day. Every day is a day. That's for sure here. Okay, guys. Now we need some things here for Iota to check it. We have here the highest candle here on the beginning, and we can start with this candle with a Fibonacci line, and we are drawing now the Fibonacci retracement from the highest side here to the lowest side, to the downside here on this point here. This is this point here. So we are now on the daily, and we have some clear things here we have to watch. Very clear is now for me. This is the 78.6 Fibonacci line. You can see it here very nicely here on this side. This is our blue line, and you can see we are with our price momently with Iota under this resistance. We saw a nice spike here to the upside, but now you can see it's going down. Guys, some things. If a candle like this daily candle is going down here so quick, and we have now 11 hours to close this candle, but if this candle may go down here more and more, this is an extreme long wick, and you know a long wick to the upside will bring us a dump to the downside. You can see it here. Long wicks to the downside, like this one here, is bringing us a pump. A wick to the upside along is bringing us a dump, and it's very important to watch on the big time frame on the daily chart what's going on momently with the candles. Also, you can see it here, a big candle to the upside. Here was one to the downside. It was undecision, and the next one also, and it's going down. Here a big wick to the downside. It's going up. Use these things. They are very useful for trading, and in my opinion, if this candle will come down more and more and the body will close on the downside, we have a big wick to the upside. That's a very bearish thing, but we have still time. We have still 11 hours time here to close this candle. What's going on with the MACD on the downside? We had a crossing MACD that's very bullish. You can see it, blue line over the brown line. Very bullish. That's a very nice thing here. So let's check one thing also. Let's check the EMA ribbon. What's going on here? Big support is here. Everything is fine. Let's check the MA21 Also a big support here, you can see it. The support is momently on 61.8%, and this is a very nice support. So from the daily, everything is looking fine here. We have to watch about this wick, about this long wick to the upside. Now we can one thing also, we can make a nice uptrend channel. We can turn off here the MACD and use a uptrend channel to the upside like this here, parallel channel from the downside to the upside like this, and you can see also now, guys, we have this middle line. The middle line is always working as a resistance, you know that. As a BITI watcher, you know that, guys, this is a resistance momently. Why? We are under this red line, so it's acting as a resistance also. So the first thing is, now for the upside we have some problems. We have to watch some things. This important line here, this is 78.6 golden pocket Fibonacci line momently on $1.69 here. And the next thing is, if Iota can spike over this, we have the next thing to watch. That is this point here, that's the middle line, $1.81. These are the important things to watch if Iota can move on with this mega pump daily candle here. To the downside, if we are coming to the downside, we will take a look about this one on the 4-hour chart to see more details here. This is the 4-hour chart, and here it is. Special greetings to Cassie Max. Cassie Max is a really nice member of my channel here. I'm streaming live with my channel here. It is Bitcoin Trading Informant. It has the bad quality here. Normally it has a full HD, nice quality, and you can see here a lot of things about Ethereum, Bitcoin, a lot of information. And here is Kathy. Greetings to Kathy. Kathy asked about the Iota TA, and now here it is, Kathy, especially for you. Greetings from BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. So back to business, back to Iota. Here we are. And this is our big picture, our 4-hour chart now. What's going on with the EMA ribbon? EMA ribbon, big support. MA21, big support. Okay, we can disable it. We don't need it anymore. So, guys, next things to watch. We saw this big red candle on the 4-hour chart. This is not a very nice thing, because you know it, this long wick to the upside is a bad thing. Now we see a next candle retesting the 1.69 again, and if we fall, I think it's possible to fall more down to the downside as to the upside, as it goes to the upside. So that's the next big thing to watch. We can watch here on the 1-hour chart for a better picture, for more details, and this is our big picture momently. So we have a nice thing to watch here. This is the from the downside to the upside. This is also an uptrend in an uptrend. We can check it with green one, and we can make it here also green. So, and you can see now this candle is fighting with this uptrend momently. I can draw it like this. No, I have to draw it like this. This candle is fighting momently with this uptrend. So it's a very important candle momently. You can see one thing that's very important. Also, we are building lower highs. That's a bad sign. This was a high here. This was the next high here. This was also the high. And you can see it, guys. My drawings are really bad here. But these are lower highs. So we need, this candle was as the same high as this one, we need higher highs here. That's important. If we are building more lower highs, we are also building here lower lows. This low, and now this low. We need higher lows for a pumping Iota. That's very important. For the next thing, what is the picture to watch? If we come now to the downside, yes, for sure, the big thing is now here to watch. Let me zoom out a little bit. Is here to watch this point. This is a very important point. This was the start of our pump, and this is also the next big support here on the downside. If we come down here, watch at $1.40. This is a big support now, if we may retest it again here. For the next thing, we have also a support to watch. I can show you here very quick. This is this line here. I can show you why this is a good support, because you can see it here. We touched this line here. Once we touched it here, then we touched it here again, and so it is acting as a support also. So if you're coming down again more and more here, this is the next big support to watch, $1.56. the next thing for Iota. But now let's check what's going on with Iota versus Bitcoin. For me, the one of the most important things to watch here. So here we are. Iota versus Bitcoin, and we are here on the 1 hour chart, and you can see something here very interesting. Let me zoom out a little bit, and this was the big point to watch, guys. This is the 1 hour chart, and yes, we had a big resistance here, and momently Iota is fighting with this resistance. Let me show you this one and this one. This was our big resistance. You can see it. Iota touched it many times against Bitcoin, here and here again and here again. So you know, guys, the more we are touching this line here, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, now the 4th times, and now it's breaking through. That's a very big picture momently. We have to watch Iota versus Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart. We need a clear breakout of this resistance or support. Momently it's a resistance. I will say it's a red one. We need a clear breakout over this big fat resistance line, and you can see momently we are fighting in this. We are coming down, and if we close this candle again under this resistance, it's not a big picture, not a good picture in my opinion for Iota. We have to watch this. This is very important. So let's go back Iota to USDT. Here we are. So okay, guys, you know the big things to watch here for the short term. Here are the things. If we're going to the downside, $1.56 or $1.39, that's a big support. Or to the upside, we need to break $1.69. That's the golden pocket, or the $1.70. $1.70. That's the big. This one, the big golden pocket, the big 78.6 resistance momently, and then we may see a breakout to the middle line, $1.80. It's possible, and this would be a good point to start over the middle line. And the big picture to the upside is this point. This was the all-time high. You can see it here on the 100% Fibonacci line. This is the big picture to watch, $2.15. It would be amazing to see that with Iota. Guys, that's the overview. That's the TA for Iota. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you're going long or if you're going short, guys. I wish you make millions out there. I wish you buy millions of my t-shirts, and I wish you supporting BITI here with all your power you can. Please share this video. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down if you don't like it. Leave me a comment if you like it, leave me a comment if you don't like it, and say what can I make better. I know my English is not the best. I'm like Arnie, but I'm trying to make my best for you. My friends, thank you very much for watching. Nice time. Greetings. Your BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye. Greetings to Cassie. Bye bye.